The first video of the year is usually a cute countdown or talking about the future, but a funny thing happened yesterday. My kid learned how to control her arms. I mean, what the hell did you learn yesterday, right? For the first time, she learned how to look at something, grab for it, and affect it with her hand. One day she couldn't do this, no control whatsoever, and then the next day she just could. And suddenly, my thoughts about what will happen to me in 2013 paled in comparison. The discoveries Vienna will have in 2013 are so remarkable that I'm thrilled I even get to witness it. So pardon me if I don't focus on me right now. My kid learned how to use her freaking arms yesterday.